StartLac paste is a post-calving paste that can be given to all cows and heifers to aid transition.
To apply StartLac paste, remove the cap from the end of the tube. Push the silver clip in on the applicator and pull the plunger out. The holder can be unscrewed and placed over the StartLac tube. This can then be screwed onto the applicator, and you are now ready to apply the paste. When inserting StartLac paste, ensure the applicator is pushed far enough into the mouth that it goes over the back of the tongue. This will prevent any StartLac paste being spat out by the cow. StartLac paste provides an immediate source of energy and supplies calcium, phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin D3. This is particularly important during the transition phase. As cows transition into milk, StartLac paste will stimulate appetite and encourage calcium uptake, which will set her up for a good start to her lactation.